Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 26 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, a person sitting on the top of a tall building is dropping balls at regular intervals of 1 second. Find the positions of the third, fourth and fifth ball when the sixth ball is being dropped. Suppose this is a tall building and a person is sitting at the top of this building, and he is dropping balls at regular intervals. Suppose he drops the first ball at t is equal to 0 seconds. Now a common mistake which students make is they start from t is equal to 1 second. That is the wrong case, because the first ball would be dropped initially, and initial time is usually we take the initial time as t is equal to 0 second to avoid confusion. So therefore we will take the first ball time at which the first ball is dropped as t is equal to 0 second. At t is equal to 1 second, the second ball is dropped. But at this time, the first ball would be at certain point below the second ball, because the first ball would have traveled certain distance. Similarly, at t is equal to 2 seconds, the third ball is dropped. But at t is equal to 2 seconds, the second ball would be certain point below the third ball, and the first ball would be certain more distance below the second ball. Similarly, at t is equal to 3 seconds, the fourth ball is dropped, the third ball would be somewhere over here, the second ball would be somewhere over here, and the first ball would be somewhere over here. The fourth ball is dropped similarly. And let us move to the sixth ball. Now when the sixth ball would be dropped, the fifth ball, at t is equal to 5 seconds the sixth ball is dropped, because at t is equal to 3 seconds the fourth ball is dropped. So therefore at t is equal to 5 seconds the sixth ball is dropped, the fifth ball would be somewhere over here, the fourth ball would be somewhere over here, and the third ball would be somewhere over here. Which we are only concerned by these three balls, third, fourth and fifth ball. हमें और third, second, first ball से कोई concern नहीं है. Now let us see how much time the third ball has taken. Like we are at t is equal to 5 seconds and the third ball was dropped at t is equal to 2 seconds. So therefore in 3 seconds interval, we have to find what is the distance traveled by the third ball. So the third ball is traveling under the influence of gravitation. The initial velocity of all the balls is 0, as the balls are being dropped. It is not thrown with a certain velocity downwards, they are being dropped. Therefore the initial velocity of all the balls is 0. There is a gravitational force acting on all the balls, and the gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. I am taking downward position as positive, and this is, let us take the top of the building as the origin, and we will calculate the positions of all the balls from this top point, this origin point. Now let us, as the acceleration is constant, therefore we can use the Newton's equation. So let us use the Newton's equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. As the initial velocity of all the balls is 0, so let us put the value of u as 0 in the equation. So the position of the balls would be half into a is equal to g. So therefore it would be equal to 9.8 t square. So it would become 4.9 t square. Now let us put the value of t in each of the case. In the case of third ball, t would be equal to 3 seconds, because the third ball is dropped at t is equal to 2, and we are the ball has traveled till t is equal to 5. So time interval is 3 seconds. So therefore we will take t is equal to 2. So the position of the ball, third ball, would be 4.9 into 3 square. So 4.9 into 9, it would be equal to 44.1 meters. So the position of the third ball would be 44.1 meters from the top when the sixth ball is being dropped. Similarly, for the fourth ball, t is equal to 2 seconds, because the fourth ball is dropped at t is equal to 3 seconds, and we are looking at till t is equal to 5 seconds. So time interval is 5 minus 3, that is 2 seconds. So S would be equal to 4.9 into 2 square. So 4.9 into 4 would be equal to 19.6 meters. And for the fifth ball, t would be equal to 1 second. So S would come out to be 4.9 only, because 1 square would be equal to 1. So the position of third ball is 44.1 meters from the top. For the fifth ball, it is 19.6 meters from the top, and for the fifth ball, it would be 4.9 meters from the top. I hope you have understood the question and solution. Thank you.